So, here I am, lying down on this big, beautiful granite boulder out in the middle of the forest. I stopped while I was doing my barefoot hike to just stop, connect, check in with self. I had a very challenging morning. A beautiful and apparently very rare woodpecker crashed into my living room window and broke his neck as I was sitting at my computer desk. It was rather upsetting for me, and I often wondered what the medicine of the woodpecker is. In any case, I shed some tears and gathered the beautiful creature up and offered some tobacco in my heart space. And I will offer a proper burial later. But anyway, I thought the best way to get grounded, because it was such an emotional experience for me, such a beautiful creature. Of course, one who is connected, considers herself connected to the land and the people of the land and the creatures of the land, often wondered what the medicine, the message of the woodpecker is. So, anyway, I thought the best thing to do would be to come outside, take my shoes off, and connect to Mother Earth, Pachamama, barefoot. So here I am. My feet are there somewhere. But as you can see, it's beautiful out here. There's nobody out here but me and the unseen world, of course. Spirit of the land, spirit of the people of the land. Needless to say, it's been a rather challenging morning. Stay tuned. Blessings to you all.